Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Cash App. To sign up for Cash App, first, go to your Google Chrome or any browser. In the search box, type in Cash App Sign Up and hit enter. Once you search, in the search results, you will see something like this or similar results. Scroll down and click on the second link that appears. Now, as you can see, you are asked for an American number. You have two options, either you can add your United Kingdom number or USA/American phone number. If you belong to the USA or London, you can easily sign up. Here, I've entered this number. Once I enter the number, I have clicked on the Continue option. You can also use your email. You will be sent a confirmation code to the number you just added. Once you receive the confirmation code, add your confirmation code and hit the Enter button. Once you do that, you will be asked for some information. Fill up all the details, and you will be able to successfully sign up for Cash App. If you found the video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.